Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name has been every day on the channel, show you how to make money in crypto. Today, I'm giving you a little crypto wrap up on what's going on the markets. I want to talk to you guys about what's going on with Miami Coin, which is very interesting. Talk to you about the exchange wars and how Binance may be faltering while we're looking at FTX rising up. And then we'll talk about the markets here for a little bit. Guys, right now, the price of Bitcoin is coming in at $65,200. You have the price of Ethereum at $4,800. Ethereum in striking distance from its all-time highs. We had some big movers in the metaverse again today, as Decentraland and Sandbox both with big pumps. Mina Protocol also with a big pump. If I remember correctly, I think Algorand also had a big pump. I don't have it in front of me right here. I'm still here in beautiful Las Vegas. We are in the top 40 of the WSOP main event right now. There are 1,318 people left. 1,000 make the money. I'm in about 40th place right now, so we are crushing it, doing really well. Having a great time. Appreciate you guys letting me come here and do this. They'll be doing the live stream from the studio in the morning, by the way. I'm going to need morning off to rest the voice here. So I know you guys hate a gravelly BitBoy. Now, when it comes to the markets, Bitcoin has now stabilized around $65,000. Anything above 64K is really good. We are now moving forward for the next big move up. As suspected, the price dip today yesterday was completely because of whales moving the market. And it's not what you think. It's whales testing the market, getting ready for the big move up. This was not necessarily an accumulation period. This was a test of the support of Bitcoin, and it passed. So we should be looking for higher numbers here very soon. Now, Ethereum as well, we could be breaking all-time highs. Now, when it comes to the exchange wars, FTX surged 512% in volume over Q3. That is absolutely insane. FTX is rising up to become one of the fastest growing exchanges and will be one of the biggest exchanges going forward. Meanwhile, you have Binance looking at moving their operation and headquarters maybe to France. What do we call this, the French exchange? I'd have to call it the Freedom Exchange. You guys know that. But the fact is, Binance today did something really weird. A bunch of Dogecoin holders said that Binance asked them to return coins that they didn't have because Binance made a mistake. So got to keep up with that. Binance faltering, FTX rising, Coinbase staying pretty similar. That's kind of the story coming out. Now, here's a really interesting story from Miami Coin. You guys know Miami Coin, which is by City Coins. New York is coming out with their own. I think Seoul, South Korea also should be coming out with their own. A lot of cities are going to be doing this. But the interesting thing is the mayor today said that they're going to take profits from Citycoin, which is kind of like investing in the city of Miami itself and its growth. And they're going to take those profits, roll those into Bitcoin, and they're going to give those to the citizens of Miami. Bitcoin to the citizens of Miami. That is absolutely phenomenal. I love what they're doing down there with that. But here, we're in Vegas. Win Vegas coin. I guess somebody's going to have to make that. All right, guys, that's all I got for tonight. Be blessed. BitBoy out.